Welcome to the Scent Lab lesson. Once your dog is reliably indicating odor on a container, we can start setting up searches in something called the Scent Lab. We can use the Scent Lab to teach dogs how to source and use hide placement to create a systematic search pattern. Keep things easy to start and make sure to step back and let your dog do the searching. It's important that they learn how to problem solve and use their nose to find the target odor. Try to also keep your feet moving while your dog is searching, and practice moving behind them to ensure you don't block them or get in the way. Staying behind your dog also makes sure that you don't accidentally lead them to the hide. Set up your 2 sets of cold containers in a corner. You should mix up the order and orientation of the containers. Select one hot container and place it at the start of the setup. This helps teach your dog to check the first thing they see. Bring your dog into the search area and line them up with the first object. Give your search cue and let your dog go search. When they indicate on the correct container, mark and reward multiple times. Then lure your dog away from the hide and remove them from the room. Mix up the containers so the hot container is now the second object and repeat. Continue moving the hot object down the line for each new search. Once the hot object has been put at the end of the lineup, try one with the container as the first object again. Eventually, start placing the hot container more randomly. Once your dog is familiar with the one type of container being hot, repeat these steps with your second type of container being scented. This teaches your dog that either type of container can have odor on it, and it encourages them to check every container, not just one type. That's it for this lesson. Make sure you're practicing good odor hygiene while you're working in the scent lab, and use a glove to handle any hot objects. Remember that we're using the scent lab to teach your dog how to find and indicate exactly where the odor is, and create a systematic search pattern. Make sure you're setting your dog up to be successful and get a high rate of success while working in the lab.
Yes, good girl.